This is with regard to Karnataka and the COVID rise that the state has been seeing. 2,479 new COVID cases in the last 24 hours. 77 Omicron cases reported in Karnataka, and the positivity rate shooting up to 2.59%. Neha is joining us for more details. Neha, if you can take us through these latest numbers at this point.
Well, yes, Avni, a rather concerning trend of cases that have been rising over here in the state of Karnataka, much like in other parts of the country as well. But let's tell you that, from Sundays when Karnataka has been seeing, and particularly, in fact, districts like the Bangalore urban and BBMP limits also has been seeing a rise in the positivity rate. In fact, it's crossed 2% for the first time in almost 7 months. And what is even more concerning right now is the fact that, even the Karnataka health minister has actually put out a tweet now saying that, the cases are doubling every 2-3 days. So having said that, by that measure, what even the BBMP commissioner said earlier today was that, Bengaluru city as a whole itself, could be seeing about 15,000 cases or more in the coming days. So now what really, of course, needs to be looked at right now, Avni, is putting this in perspective and what the Technical Advisory Committee has recommended on the weekly positivity rate. So basis that, of course, there is a meeting that's being held right now off the tack with the Chief Minister, where more COVID curbs are likely to be imposed in the state, but more so in Bengaluru city.
Absolutely, Neha. And if you can also take us through the advisory committee, the expert group, in fact, has made certain recommendations of what kind of action plan should be imposed and put in place in the state of Karnataka. If you can take us through what those recommendations are.
Well, yes, Avni, in fact, what the Technical Advisory Committee had recommended to the government is to, divide, in fact, right now, based on the weekly positivity rate, to sort of take a call on, whether we should be implementing, the yellow, the orange, or the red. Let's tell you that yellow is when the positivity rate is, up to 1%. Orange would be when it's, between 1 to 2%, and, beyond 2%. Of the red is when it becomes a little concerning. And what exactly the Technical Advisory Committee has said also, Avni, is that if at all the weekly positivity rate of the state crosses 3%, then in that case, the state should immediately opt for a lockdown. Now, if it doesn't cross 3%, and in fact, if it stays, within the 2%, as in, 2 to 3% slot, then in that case, the Technical Advisory Committee has also recommended the closure or the stoppage of all public transport. They've also, in fact, recommended markets to only operate from 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. for malls to be, closed. And most importantly, also, if at all that does come into play, then, people, of course, would have to be geared up. And this is something that even the Chief Minister has been reiterating time and again, that, while all measures are underway, people should be a little bit more cautious. So after today's meeting with the CM, Avni, is when we'll have more clarity on what stringent curbs are going to be brought into play.
Yes, absolutely, Neha. That is going to be crucial to watch out for. Thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.